Okay, Matt, we got to get the big guns on for this job. Those things are so convenient.
You think so? It looked like you were struggling there for a second.
Huh?
Looked like you were struggling.
Well,
I could hear you like, you think they're killing.
no, actually, you know, as long as you're within reason with them, they're usually fine.
Yeah. Now we're gonna use it for the air hammer.
Well, what are we going to use for the gun?
Yeah, we need a gun now.
I got the gun.
Get the gun out.
Where's the 1-inch chain in there?
I don't know where you put that sucker.
No, there's a 1-inch air gun too. That's missing. That's a 3/4 inch one. So that red light, is that the glow plugs?
Yeah.
Oh, they must be cold today. They was half our battery power.
Yeah. Ooh, I can smell it.
You know, the funny thing is, this hose isn't even that much bigger, but it's just enough. Is that a 3/8 or 1-inch?
This one here, it's probably like a 3/8 hose to a 1/2 inch. Yeah, that's 1/2 inch, and then that's what 3/4.
Right? Oh, man, I knew that was going to happen.
I've had that sucker running all week. What do you need? Jump box?
Sorry, Matt.
Jack it up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, definitely than the other tires. Those don't have that much dirt to start with.
No, they're about my whole way. Alright, now you got all the adapter piece that goes on that valve.
What adapter piece?
Got a washer and adapter. Righty tighty, righty tighty.
Oh, yeah, we can't gotta stop it over the tracks.
What?
Do no more.
What?
That needs, what do you call it on it? Needs that.
What is it?
They're all rusted in there. What? Nice things on there.
Oh, the hood?
Yeah.
Oh, so you gotta pull it back off?
No, we don't need to pull it back off, but let's just try to wiggle it on there because you see how that's all groovy there. Yes, we just gotta get a little anti-seize.
Can we get the wire wheel and pull the wheel off?
Damn. Damn, it does. Yeah, let's just get the wire brush on that.
Yeah.
I don't think we need a wire wheel. Remember those wire brushes we had the other day?
Alright.
There's no big sense because
Yeah, because this is a $300,000 truck.
yeah, this is much better today, Douglas.
That one that's a little more narrow.
They don't need to be perfect, just kind of. Yeah. Well, here, you know what? Let me just fix them all up. Well, no, Jones, I can do this, man. I just gotta take it easy on the brakes. I mean, the piece ain't hitting the thing on the full brakes right now, so it's not touching, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I should be fine.
Because all you do is just idle really.
Yeah. I'm trying to see if I can send. I mean, the guy bought 15 of them for like $5 or $15 the other day at the auction.
Yeah.
Now he's on eBay selling for $150 a piece.
Right.
That's $600, and that's the going rate for these things.
Yeah.
50, like Matt's.
Oh, right, right.
Yeah, let's get some of that. What's going on? Car back there.
Good deal.
Wire break the wire.
Alright, you ready, Douglas?
There you go, real nice truck there, Pete. Hey, can't believe you're trying to sell it.
I'm not really trying to sell it, to be honest with you, but...
Alright, what do you think that? What do you think?
Oh, son of a bitch!
What?
Man, what?
I was in the middle of looking for the Grill King guy, and I forgot what I was doing, so I got other shit going on.
Alright. Hey, come on, dog, come on down.
truck. What happened?
Jumping the gun. What are you doing with that?
What do you mean?
What are you doing with that machine on?
We're gonna start tightening them up.
That's not how you tighten tires. Douglas.
What?
You was come over this way.
Yeah, who told you that?
What happened? And you snug him.
Right.
No, not that, Douglas.
Yeah.
You need to put a lug nut on there first.
Oh, is that right?
That's what I mean.
Yeah, we're not quite
What the hell's the fucking lug nut on there? Bring the hammer to the brake bar, Douglas.
There it goes.
Brake bar.
Oh, you want to break them off? I can't hear you. It's already done every time you talk. I just see your mouth moving, that's it.
See how tight that actually got it? It's pretty tight.
Definitely want like some type of electric gun like that. Yeah, pretty tight.
Especially you get them all split with the truck down now.
Careful over there, careful. That's jacked up. Oh, wait.
What? I seen it.
Oh, let's put that there.
It didn't break my back with the wheelbarrows.